Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel, and today is Friday, December 18, 2020, and wala akong pasok guys. It's because nag-lockdown dito sa Denmark. It actually happened yesterday, Thursday, start of the lockdown, and then that will be until January 3, I hope. Pero sabi nila baka mag-extend pa, but I don't know. So anyway, yun yung parang update dito sa Denmark. And then I work in a shopping mall, and ibig sabihin nun, close yung shopping mall. Kaya pinauwi kami, and we're just gonna be staying at home. But the good thing is, we still get paid. Yun yung good thing doon. And then January 3, that's the end of the lockdown. I hope so. And then we're gonna go back to work. So you're gonna see me doing so much videos kasi nasa bahay lang ako until January 3. And yeah, and then may dumating na package. Yes, ito na naman yung Goodiebox Crush for December. As I said earlier from previous videos, this is a subscription box na dumarating every 3 months, and the price of this box is 129 kroner every 3 months. So, binibili ko siya kasi I think it's worth it naman. And hindi ko pa talaga alam guys. Wait, nagre-record ba? Yes. So anyway, hindi ko pa talaga alam guys kung ano ang laman nito. Hindi ko sinerge sa internet, nothing. Kasi gusto ko na pagdating dito, there is a element of surprise. So yon. And actually, dumating ito yesterday. Yeah, dumating ito yesterday. Pero ngayon ko lang siya i-open kasi sobrang naging busy ako guys for ang daming gawain talaga dito sa bahay. No? Believe talaga ako dun sa mga parang homestay mom na may mga anak sila at may mga anak sila at may husband, tapos nag-aalaga sila sa household chores, ganyan. Hindi ko talaga guys, it doesn't come naturally to me pag mga trabahong pangbahay. But then wala akong choice kasi wala naman pwedeng tumulong. Ako at si Martin lang dito, and it makes sense na ako yung gumawa sa mga bahay muna dito is because Martin is so busy, and ako naman yung nasa bahay lang muna. So yan. So ito na yung box. Oy, nag-open siya. So anyway, ito yung niya. Obvious ba? Obvious? Yes, there you go. Goodiebox Crush. And maliit lang siya. Meron din silang Goodiebox. No, meron silang Goodiebox lang talaga guys. Yung walang crush na word. And mas malaki yung box na yun. And it comes every month. Tapos mas mahal din yun. I think 169 or 179. Hindi ko na maalala. I had a subscription with that kind of box before. Pero tinigil ko kasi every month dumadating at tapos naiipon lang yung mga products. Unless every 3 months nagagamit ko siya. At pag hindi ko naman magamit, pwede ko padala sa Pinas. So, Goodiebox Crush, that is specifically makeup products. As if naman marunong tayo mag-makeup. So, yon. Oh. Ito na guys. First time ko siyang ma-open. Yan. And then, the Be Extra on a Monday box. There. My card. Be Extra on a Monday box. Tapos, may mga 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 na laman. So, kita ko there. I hope it's clear. Is it clear? Puro makeup talaga. So, anyway, open na natin siya. There. So pretty. There you go. Pag muna ako guys ha, I'd like to take a picture pang thumbnail. Paano ba to? Yes. Okay, yon. Okay na yon. So these are the products. Maganda talaga to guys if mahilig ka talaga sa makeup. Kasi if you're gonna buy the product by, you know, one by one, it's gonna be more expensive than the 129 kroner for 5 products. So, ano ito? Your skin but better. CC Plus. Oh. Oh my gosh. Ito guys, CC. There, that's the first product. Maganda siya. Maganda siya. Hindi ko pa na-try, pero I think it's maganda. And then, there is the Isadora Smooth and Shine Lip Gloss. High Shine Gloss. Oh, yan. Kita ba, guys? Hide natin yung aking kamat. Yes, there you go. Pretty, pretty. Next is Fake It. Lash Primer. Base. May lash primer pala. I didn't know that. So, ito yung third product. There you go. Kita ba? Yes. Next would be Model Ko. Model Ko? No, it's like Model Ko. And then it is eyeshadow liquid metal. Open natin siya kasi naka-box din. Let's see. Ooh. There. Hide natin yung mata ko. Yes. Very good ito for a party ba? So, matry nga ito. Christmas or New Year. So, there you go. And then, my nail polish. And I love this kasi I really need nail polish, guys. There. I really need nail polish for Christmas. Kasi pula. Tingnan nyo nga yung kuko ko. Ay, wala talagang. Ako lang nang gumagawa, guys. And I'm not really good at it. But anyway. So, yun. Those are the 5 products. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, those are the 5 products I got for December Goodiebox Crush. And, I think available din siya, hindi lang dito sa Denmark. I mean, they're also in other Europe countries. I think meron din sa Norway, yung mga ganon. So, I got it. The box for December. I'm very happy. Kasi, pwede na din siya maging complete look. Diba? Meron ng CC Plus, mayroon ng parang sa mata, sa lips. So, yun. Balik natin. Uy! So, yun ang aking goodie box for this month. Grabe guys, no? When will it end? Itong corona ba? When will it end? Only God knows. Anyway, may mga vaccine na naman din. And then, I read in the news that there will be some vaccine available for release dito sa Denmark between Christmas and New Year. Pero, it will only be available first for those people who's working in the hospitals, you know, the frontliners, health workers, ganyan. And then, after that, the second batch would be for people who is at risk. So, it could be the older people, people who's got problem with their lungs, people who are sick. And then, after that, maybe around spring, it will be available for the normal people, ordinary people like me. Pero feeling ko si Martin, makakasali siya dun sa parang risky people kasi malaki yung asawa ko, diba? So, it's like considered na risk siya for the corona. So, yun guys. I really hope na matapos na ito. It's really been super overwhelming guys kasi that day that we received the news, I just got home from work. Tapos upo-upo muna. Tapos suddenly, may nag-text sa akin yung friend ko dito sa Denmark said, you gotta watch the news now. There was a press conference saying that you may not go to work tomorrow because the shopping malls will be closed. It's lockdown. And then we watch and then it shows there close lahat until January 3 kasi the government is afraid that it's gonna be super high, that the hospital can no longer take more patients because right now, as they said, it is in its maximum level na ng capability nila. Sobrang puno na yung hospitals dito. So, the government was thinking na to lock down para ma-lessen yung ang tawag ma-lessen yung magka-corona para makarecover yung hospital, guys, because it's already super full now. So, yon. But we can still have our Christmas. We can still have our New Year. Pero, limited number of people to celebrate it. It should be maximum just 10 people in the house. And all the restaurants are closed. But you can still order takeaways. So, sobrang hindi naman nakaka-stress. Pero alam mo, parang kinakabahan-kabahan ka because you really don't know what the future will be. Because sa work ko din, it could be after, right now, I mean, I am being here at home and I am getting paid. But let's admit it, there's a lot of businesses who's been losing a lot of sales kasi because of Corona. So, you really don't know what's gonna happen in the future. It could be because right now, not in my company where I work with, it's really big. But it could be a possibility. I don't know. But the other smaller companies, like one-person company, those kind of businesses, there's a lot there's a lot that's already filing for bankruptcy and closing down. Ganyan, madami yung nalulos ng, madami ang nawawala ng trabaho. But then what's good about here in Denmark, guys, is because they got this insurance called a CASA. It's like, it's an insurance if you lost your job. So it's really important, for example, if you are in Denmark, that, I mean, it's an option if you wanna pay for it or not. But in my case, I'm paying for it because that's what my husband said. So it's very smart to have it because, as I said, you really don't know what the future will be. It may be today you got job and the next day you don't have job. So it's an insurance that if you lose your job, you can still get amount of money every month for the next, I'm not even sure if it's 2 years or 3 years. Yeah, pero you're gonna be getting monthly money, almost the same of your salary, not the same, but just a little bit lower, but you can still survive for that. So for the next 2-3 years, you are actually insured that you're gonna be getting money while you are still applying for a new job. So it's very smart that I did that, and yeah, that's what good thing about here in Denmark, because you are able to prepare for the worst scenario. So yun, kasi nga guys, foreigner ako dito, so I mean the normal Danish could possibly just be if they lost their job and they don't have a casa, the insurance, you can actually go to your commune, like the government, and tell them that I lost my job and I cannot afford to pay my rent, this and that, and then they will be helping you for your monthly bills. They will be giving you money, this and that, until you can stand on your own again. And then they will even help you finding job. But in my case, I also can have that, but it will be a problem for my application here in Denmark because I am still applying. I'm not a Danish citizen. I'm still applying for a permanent residency, and part of the requirements for that is that you should not get government help money. Yes, so I am trying to avoid that, or else it will be a problem later on in the long run. So yun guys, thank you so much for watching. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope everybody is in the best of their health. Iwan ko ba anong pinagsasabi ko. But anyway, take care of each other guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.